Unlock the true potential of your Audi 3.0T engine. Introducing the R Motorsports inlet and intake system for the B9 S4 and S5 models. Your stock intake system is designed for silence, not performance. It restricts airflow and muffles the incredible intake sounds that your turbo wants to make. And it all starts with the B9 intake. We've replaced the restrictive factory airbox with a massive 4-inch silicone tube and a high-flow conical air filter. This is all shielded from the engine heat to draw in the most cool and dense air possible. You'll immediately notice improved throttle response, much more turbo noise. But to truly maximize airflow, you'll need to complete the system with our B9 inlet. The factory inlet is the last remaining bottleneck in the system. Our inlet features a massive 70mm flange that perfectly mates to our intake, creating a full high-flow system from the filter to the turbo. We've removed all the sound-suppressing baffles so you can finally hear the crisp, incredible turbo noises your 3.0T was supposed to make. Together, the ARM inlet and intake system will finally let your Audi breathe freely. Visit armmotorsports.com today to upgrade your B9.